Good day, and welcome to this quick SigmaNEST tutorial. Last time round, I showed you how to create a new job within SigmaNEST. This time round, I am going to show you how to add more parts to an existing job. So, by simply clicking on the SigmaNEST workspace, I can now either import DXFs or any of the many file types SigmaNEST supports. I can add parts from my existing parts list, or I can simply create a standard shape. For this example, I will be picking this standard shape. Ensure that your quantities, your material, and the thickness is correct. Say OK. And now I can simply go back to Edit Job. And now you will notice that both my parts are now added to my job. Thank you for watching.